Ladies and gentlemen, Queens-bound F trains are running on the E line after 4750 at Rockefeller Center. For service near 57th Street, use 5th Avenue 53rd. For service near 63rd and Lexington, transfer at 53 in Lexington. For Roosevelt Island, 21st Street, Queensbridge, take this train to Roosevelt Avenue, Jackson Heights, and transfer to a Manhattan-bound F train. 5th Avenue 53rd is next, being cleared for closing doors.
3rd Street. Transfer is available to the E train. This is a Queens-bound F train via the E line. The next stop is Lexington Avenue, 53rd Street. The 6th train.
For service near 63rd and next, transfer here to an Uptown 6 train to 59th and Lexington.